Hi everyone, it's Miss Banjoff again and Mr. Giamini, and we are bringing you lesson 1.6, combining like terms. There's a lot of things in this lesson that are really going to be a review. There's only a couple new topics that we're going to explore. The first idea in the key vocabulary are these ideas of terms, or like terms. And terms are the things in an expression or an equation that are separated by all the math signs. So the m's are a term, the whole numbers are terms. Like terms are the things that are the same. So the reason why we want to combine like terms is really because we want to simplify. You don't tell me that you owe me 10 plus $5, you tell me you owe me $15. So on my like terms, sometimes I go ahead and I use different colors and I draw boxes or circles or anything around them to make them look the same. In this case I have 5 m's, 2 m's, and 3 m's. But you have to pay attention to the math. This wants you to take away 2 m's. So this brings me down to 3 m's. This also wants me to take away 3 m's. So I really have 0 m's. Now when I look at my numbers, I have 8. I have 6, positive 8, positive 6, positive 14. This is just an expression, so this is as far as I can go with this problem. Hey, there's no more simplifying or anything else I can do. On my next problem, I look at this. This is also an expression. There's no equal sign. This is going to be a little bit of a new concept for you, though. It's the idea of the distributive property. We all know that we do what's inside parentheses first. But the problem is, I don't know what to do. I don't know what this variable stands for, and I have to add 9 to it. But this 4 that's out here, see that there's no math symbol here? That means it's a coefficient. So that means multiply. I nicknamed the distributive property the rainbow property, because I'm reminding myself that this 4 as a coefficient is applied to both items. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify. That means I have 4 y's, pay attention to the sign, plus 4 9's, which is 36. The minus 3y wasn't part of the parentheses, so I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite. My plan of attack, I'm going to combine my like terms and simplify. I see y's in 2 different places. 4 y's, careful, take away 3 y's, leaves me with a y. The 36 is all by itself, so I simply just rewrite it. Again, far as I can go. On our last example, we're taking it now to an equation, which means we're going to be able to get a solution for this answer. Again, I see parentheses, so it's going to say, do what's in there first. The problem, there's a variable. So I use my distributive property, 13 is a coefficient, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute. That means I have 13 g's plus 26, because it's 13 2's. All of that together equals 78. Now think of your plan of attack. Guess and check is not a bad strategy, but it's not an intelligent strategy when we're talking about algebra concepts. I want to think about, I have simplified as far as I can go. Isolate. Am I isolated? Well, no, the plus 26 is in the way. So how do I get rid of it or move it? Do the inverse. Minus 26, minus 26. The 13 g's are still here. These have canceled out and equals, have 78, I'm taking away 26. So what do I have? 52. Am I isolated? Yes. Am I solved? Not quite. I need to solve and find out what g stands for, not 13 of them. So again, think inverse. This says multiply. So inverse is divide. A number divided by itself, 1. G equals 52 divided by 13, 4. Hooray, I'm done. Not really. Think of your plan of attack. The step that everyone forgets to do. I need to check. Where am I going to put this 4? Right back into the problem. What's 4 plus 2? 6. 13 of them? 78. 78 checks 78. Now I know for a fact that I'm done. Good luck on your quiz tomorrow.